There's no place on earth like the place of my birth. Dixie, I miss you so. How's every little thing in Dixie? How's every little thing at home? How's my ma? How's my pa? Brother Bill and all the friends I'm longing for. Come on, Joe, tell me all about 'em. You don't know how sad I've been without 'em. How's every little thing in Dixie? Dixie, where I long to dear old Mammy. How she could bake that pumpkin pie and fine angel cake. And there's old Bill Green, long and lean, who used to play the bones and shake the tambourine. So come on, Joe, and tell me all about them. You don't know how sad I've been without them. How's every little thing in Dixie? Dixie, I long to be. Dixie, you'll bury me. Dixie, I long for you.